All right, we are back. There's one thing I wanted to show you because we didn't necessarily have to put the link there because aweber will end up putting that link later on. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's see. Come on, ClickFunnels, let's roll. Okay, like where I had it on the watch video now button, and this is your affiliate link. You don't necessarily have to put that in there because what we're going to do in aweber, like this link, we're going to end up using it in aweber. Watch, I'm going to go ahead and copy this now. Okay, so now we're going to go to aweber. Okay, so now we're going to set up, we're going to create, let's see, create a new list. Okay, it's got my information here. Everything's set there. Okay, whenever you sign up for aweber, if you don't have aweber, GetResponse will work just as good. But I've used aweber because I'm used to it. I've used it. I know all about it. But whenever you sign up, and they say you tell us about yourself, you put your name, your website, which this website of mine is basically expiring because I hadn't really done anything to it. I'm going to have to change that out. And got your address, and then where you send the mail to. Go next. Now, when they say, what would you like to name your list? I just say Face B, because I'm pretty sure other people promoted this before, so I'll just put like a number like that nobody else is using, hopefully. And I just copy and paste that. Usually down here I always put in tips to help people make money online is what I usually put here, but I'm gonna just keep that the same. So you go next step. Response required, please confirm your request. Just scroll on down and hit approve message and create list. Alright, so now we're in the list. So now what we got to do is go to list options and list settings. Now basic settings, there's your list name, Face B. There's your actual list number. I got that description, got my name, address. Okay, and right here you can put like your name and then your email address, so that way if you get a subscriber, once you check it, it'll tell you got a subscriber, you have a subscriber, which that's good to see. Once you take this course, you'll get a lot of subscribers because you'll know what to do. Just save it. Alright, next you go up here to personalize your settings. You put your email signature, you can say regards to your success or whatever you want to say. I'm just leaving it blank. Save it. Okay, lastly, confirm opt-in. This here, you want to turn it off. That way when they go through, when they put their email address in, it'll take them straight to either the product or the thank you page. You don't want them to, this will make them double opt-in. If this is on, it'll make you double opt-in. So in other words, they'll be like, put your name and email to get this gift or whatever. And whenever they put the name and email in, they have to go back to their email, hit confirm just to get, the ebook or video or whatever. And a lot of people don't go back and confirm. So it's best to just turn it off. Now the thing is, if you have it off like this, not a lot of times, but sometimes you'll get a few people who say spam or whatever. They don't remember opting into your list, which it rarely happens to me. It's probably happened once or twice every so often, but it's no big deal. But I keep it off. Save settings. Alright, next. And last but not least is the sign up forms. Okay. Now my landing page only has an email. So you just go to sign up forms here, create first sign up forms. Now what I always do is I X out everything except the sign up button and the email. Everything else is out of here. It's just this. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to add anything or nothing. So it's email and the sign up button. Save form. Go to the next step. So you can name your web form. So I'll just say face B 10111. Okay. So now for your thank you page, you're going to switch this to custom page. Okay. And this is what I was talking about earlier. Like, you didn't necessarily have to put this link here because Aweber is going to do it for you when you put this in the thank you page spot. So copy. You put it right here in this spot here. Okay. And on already subscribed page, I just send them to the offer again, whether they subscribe or not. That way it'll keep, if they start to go back to the link, it'll just keep sending them to this link. And once you do that, you save the form. Then go to step 3. Alright, and it just depends on what you're doing or who you're hosting with. Like with ClickFunnels, mine's going to be linked up like that. You'll see it you'll see in a minute when I go back and check it. But you want the raw HTML, all this information here. I don't know, some people have to go into like a notepad. You got to copy and paste all this, and then you got to put it inside your website. This is what I mean by copy and paste or your thing. This is what I mean. Like a notepad. Like that's the index.html. It's some kind of website, but watch. Edit with notepad. See, it'll look like this. And your autoresponder goes, it'll usually tell you autoresponder, web form ID. Yeah, it's somewhere in here it goes. I don't do it this way. This to me is the hard way of doing it. Okay, that's just an example. But you paste it in somewhere here. All that code we just had, you paste it in here somewhere for your autoresponder. But I don't do that no more. That's just making your job a lot difficult. Okay, but that's it for Aweber for now. So now all we got to do is go back to ClickFunnels. Okay. Now you go to email. Now see, mine's already integrated. You'd have to integrate your service, whether it's GetResponse, Aweber, or whatever. But mine's already integrated with Aweber. And so integrate existing form. So basically it's the list. I just refresh it. So it'll get all the lists that I have in there. So now it was what? Face Beast 10111. Okay, that's it. I already had one going because I'm testing this offer right now. But I just made this one right now. So once you hit that, it's connected. So save it. Exit out. Now you go to the page. Now once you click it, see, I'm already subscribed, so it's going to send me back here. So I have to use another email address to show you as an example here. Let's see. Page. Show you another example. Use one of my other email addresses here. Cool. Boom. Okay, now watch this. Home. It should say I have a new subscriber.
With Face Beast, I earn cash online, and all I've got to do is something that I've already been doing for years. So why not?
I can't remember how much I had when we first started. So maybe it was adding. Let me check this off.
Awesome.
So it's now linked. But what I'm gonna do real quick, and just make a quick note. A situation where you want to send them straight to the offer, just don't, with the button, don't put the URL here, because you don't have to. Okay, just save it. Because like I said, it's already on the thank you page for aweber. So, subscribers today. Let me see. Subscribers. Let's see if my names are in here. Oh, it's not showing any yet. Let's see. Let me do a quick check here. I'm gonna pause it for a second to see what's going on here. Sorry about that. Now I just spoke with customer service to see what was going on and why it wasn't going. It was just me. I had to clear my cache and all that. I'm not gonna do it now, but that's the reason why. So my emails that I'm entering, it wasn't registering because it's there. It's there, but it wasn't registering. Anyway, but that's all you do for that. So on the next video, we're gonna show you the other example. Well, real quick, let me show you something real fast. I went ahead and did a quick follow-up series. Like, so whatever they put in their email, the first email just comes out automatically. I put congrats on taking action. And I said, hi, I noticed you watched one of my videos the other day. Watch one of my videos. How did you like it? In case you want to see it again, here you go. If you have any questions, contact me on Facebook. There's my Facebook thing. Or reply to this email if you don't have Facebook. Have a great day. That's my first email. And my second email is like, I'll probably reiterate this same thing again. It's like, did you like the video? Say, or whatever I said, and just more or less like reassure them, if you need any help, I'm here to help. Contact me on Facebook, and I'm here to help you. Just stuff like that. Then like the third day, you could try to, if they ain't really taking action on it. Usually they say it takes 7 times for them to watch. I usually mess with about 5, and then I move on to the next. But you just kind of want to be like a normal person. Just talk to them like, a friend or something. That way it won't seem like you trying to promote all the time. People get tired of that stuff. They're seeing the same old stuff they get hit with offers every day. There's a lot of people on different people's email lists, and you got to stand out. That's why I kind of put these up here. It's just something different that they'll probably take notice. You can put just anything, or you don't want to. Well, it doesn't matter. It's not going to save anyway. But yeah, just put something different up there. That way, you'll stand out more. So on to the next video, which will show you the second example on the squeeze page. This time we're going to use the lead magnet, which is what I usually do, and then have the thank you page ready. So on to the next video.